How many times it happens that you create a post for Instagram, but when you put it on Instagram, the quality isn't looking very good? Or you create a post for Instagram, like for example, you take a photo from your phone and then you put it on Instagram. You want to use those details that you captured on your phone. For example, it was a full picture, but because Instagram uses a 1:1 ratio and it crops that image, you can't use all those details that you wanted to use. And without those details, the picture wasn't looking very good. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly on how to do these two things. One, how to use all of that picture into Instagram without cropping that image. And two, how to increase quality of that image so that when you put it on Instagram, the quality stays intact. Let's begin. I'll take you to my phone screen. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do consider subscribing. It helps a lot. Let's go to my phone screen now and let's begin. Now we are on my phone screen and we're going to be using two different applications for this. The first application is called Canva, and by the way, both of these applications are absolutely free, so you don't have to pay anything. So the first application that we're going to download is called Canva, C-A-N-V-A. It's available on both iPhones and Androids. Just search for Canva, and this is the application's icon. Just open the application up. It's asking me to update. I'm not going to update as yet. Just open up the application first. Once you've opened up the application, and by the way, the second application that I'm going to be telling you, that's going to be to enhance the image. This is going to basically be to create that Instagram post. So what you need to do is, as soon as Canva opens up, you're going to see this search option on the top, and you can search for Instagram and write Instagram post here in the search, and it's going to give you templates that are already available here. So you can choose one of these templates. So let's say I can choose any of these templates. So I can choose, let's say, this template. Once I click on the template, it's going to open it up. Now, some of these templates are free and some of these templates are paid. This particular template is actually paid, but there are certain pictures and certain characters or maybe text formats that are paid. Now I can see that the picture that is there in the background, that is paid, but I can just go ahead and replace that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this picture with like one of my pictures that I've saved in my gallery. So let's say if I want to upload this picture of my daughter, so I can just simply click on that picture and select that picture, and it's going to bring that picture here. Now I can move this picture around. So this is how the picture looks like on here, and if I want to like change the font here, change the text here, I can just type anything, or baby, and maybe we can just change this or maybe delete some of these texts and maybe keep one of them. Going out for shopping, and you can adjust the text as well. You can slide it towards the right or left side and it would adjust the text itself. And below here, they have the contact numbers. If we want to add text, we can. Maybe I would just write, please follow my Instagram page, and I would just type done, and I can adjust this as well, so I can move the text around. So this is how it looks, and if I want to maybe drag this outwards a little bit or adjust it, I can do that as well. So I can make all sorts of changes. I can move it towards this side as well, so you guys can see now that it has adjusted accordingly, and I can drag it out from here, and this is how it's going to look now. And once I'm done with this is the first step, and as I said, we are going to create that Instagram post on this application, but we're going to increase the quality on the other application. Now if I like show you this picture, if I zoom it in, you guys can see that this picture is very pixelated. It's not very clear. The quality isn't very good, and if this is not looking good on my phone, for sure when I'm going to upload this on Instagram, this is not going to be looking good. So I'm going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this picture. On the top right, you can see this download button here. Just click on download and then click save. it's going to save your image to your phone. So we're going to wait till it saves. It's just going to take a couple of seconds. And once we are done saving the image in the gallery, the second application that you would be using in this process is called Remini. Now, this is one of the best applications that I have used either on Android or iPhones. This is a very good application. It helps you enhance the quality of your images. So just click on Remini. This is another free application that you can get on both iOS and Android, Apple Store and Google Play Store. And on this application, what we're going to do is on the top right corner, you can see the other photos button. We can simply open up the photo that we want to upgrade or enhance the quality for. Select the photo, and then you see two options, enhance and enhance plus. You need to click enhance. As soon as you click enhance, it's going to take about 5 to 7 seconds, and it's going to start enhancing your image. As you can see, it took only a few seconds and it has already enhanced our image. Now, just to give you an idea, I'll show you a before and after. So on the left side is before, on the right side is after. So you guys can see that the picture was very pixelated, but it has enhanced the quality so much that now the face and everything is very clear. And this picture and the quality of this picture is a lot better than what it was previously. Now this is the picture that it has just created, and when you upload this picture on Instagram in comparison to the one that we created previously, or the one that we had originally, this is going to, Instagram is going to boost this post because the quality is very good. I am just zoomed this picture in for you guys so you can just see that the picture quality has improved so much. You can zoom it as much as you like and it would not be pixelated. So that's how you increase the quality of the images. And because the quality of the image is very good, you guys are going to see a lot difference in your number of followers and number of views on these posts that you're going to get. If you think this video has provided you value, please do subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, a thumbs up. Leave your comments below to let me know what kind of videos do you want me to make in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.